Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bike chain degreasers available on the market today. These products are essential for keeping your bike's drivetrain in top condition, ensuring smooth performance and a longer lifespan. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tool CG-2.4 Bio Chain Bright Bicycle Chain and Component Cleaning Fluid. This product is a 100% biodegradable, plant-based degreaser that's designed to tackle even the toughest grease and grime buildup on your bike's chain and components. Its eco-friendly formula is a huge plus for riders who want to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing cleaning power. The design is straightforward. It's a liquid cleaner in a 16-ounce bottle with a fresh citrus scent. Its dimensions make it easy to store in your garage or bike maintenance kit. Tool is a well-known brand in the cycling community, and their attention to detail shines through in this product. It's versatile enough to use as a general-purpose degreaser, making it a great multifunctional tool for bike maintenance. In terms of performance, the CG-2.4 Bio Chain Bright excels at breaking down stubborn dirt and grease, leaving your chain spotless and ready for lubrication. However, it's worth noting that it works best when paired with a chain cleaning tool for optimal results. While it's an excellent product overall, the lack of a spray applicator might be a drawback for users who prefer a more convenient application method. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option that delivers reliable cleaning power, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the YIMAX Bike Chain Cleaner Set. This comprehensive cleaning kit includes a 300 milliliter cleaning spray, a 100 milliliter chain lube, and a variety of brushes designed for deep cleaning your bike's drivetrain. It's a complete package for anyone looking to maintain their bike's performance and aesthetics. The YIMAX kit stands out for its versatility and thoughtful design. The assortment of brushes, including chain scrubbers and sprocket brushes, ensures you can reach even the tightest spaces on your chain and gears. The cleaning spray is biodegradable, making it an environmentally friendly choice, and the chain lube is designed to enhance smooth shifting and reduce friction, which is a big win for performance-focused cyclists. On the performance side, users report that the cleaning fluid does a great job of breaking down grease and dirt, especially when paired with the included brushes. The chain lube adds another layer of value by keeping your drivetrain running smoothly post-cleaning. A minor downside is that the brushes might wear out more quickly with frequent use, but considering the overall value of the kit, this is a small trade-off. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for bike maintenance, the YIMAX kit is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Tool CG-2.4 Chain Gang Cleaning System. If you're looking for a complete cleaning solution, this system includes everything you need to thoroughly clean your chain, rear cogs, and chain rings. It comes with a chain scrubber, a gear brush, and a bottle of the brand's Chain Bright cleaning fluid. The build quality of the CG-2.4 is impressive, as expected from Tool. The chain scrubber is robust and designed to last, while the Gear Clean brush is perfect for reaching tight spaces between gears. The included Chain Bright cleaning fluid is plant-based and safe for all bike materials, including alloy, plastic, rubber, and carbon fiber. When it comes to performance, this system excels at removing built-up grime and grease, leaving your drivetrain looking and functioning like new. One of the key benefits is how easy it is to use. The chain scrubber simplifies the cleaning process significantly. However, at a slightly higher price point, it might not appeal to budget-conscious cyclists. That said, for those who want a professional-grade cleaning solution, the CG-2.4 is a fantastic investment. Taking the number 2 spot is the Samorio Bicycle Chain and Component Cleaning Fluid. This 16-ounce degreaser is made in the USA and boasts an all-natural biodegradable formula that's safe for the environment and highly effective at breaking down stubborn grease and dirt on bike chains, motorcycle chains, and even chainsaw chains. What sets this product apart is its versatility and ease of use. The cleaning fluid can be applied directly to the chain or used with a chain scrubber for a deeper clean. Its fast-acting formula works in minutes, making it a great choice for cyclists who want quick results without compromising on effectiveness. The non-toxic ingredients are safe for plants, pets, and the environment, a major plus for eco-conscious riders. In terms of performance, the Samorio cleaner delivers impressive results, leaving chains spotless and ready for lubrication. The only downside is that it doesn't include additional tools like brushes or scrubbers, so you'll need to purchase those separately if you don't already have them. Overall, this product is perfect for anyone who values a high-quality, eco-friendly cleaner that delivers consistent results. Finally, at number 1, we have the Muc-Off Nano Tech Bike Cleaner. This product has earned its spot at the top thanks to its revolutionary nanotech formula that breaks down dirt and grime at the molecular level. Whether you're dealing with mud, dust, or road grime, this cleaner works fast and efficiently, making it a favorite among cyclists. The 1-liter bottle is not only biodegradable, but also free from acids, solvents, and CFCs. Aligning with Muc-Off's Project Green initiative, it's safe to use on all bike surfaces, including carbon fiber, anodized metal, disc brake rotors, and seals. This makes it incredibly versatile and suitable for all types of bikes, from road bikes to mountain bikes. When it comes to performance, the Muc-Off Nano Tech Bike Cleaner is a game changer. Its ease of use is unmatched. Just spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and rinse it off for a spotless finish. The only potential downside is the price, which might be higher than some alternatives, but the quality and effectiveness make it worth every penny. If you're looking for the best bike chain degreaser on the market, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the best bike chain degreaser for your needs. Make sure to hit that like button, comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.